We might have an issue with my brother-in-law's Nissan truck. It might have an alternator problem or a battery issue because the lights are not as bright as they should be. So we're going to disconnect the battery while it's running and see if that's the problem. Disconnect the battery.
If the alternator is wrong, it's going to come out.
Yep. It'll turn off when you take that terminal off. A little dark to see, but we're taking the positive off here. Yep, your alternator's bad.
Fuck.
That's not good.
No, not good, Rich.
Huh.
Well, I'm gonna leave it like that.
Yep. Yep.
Shit, fuck.
Problem.
I have to take him to the electric guy.
Yeah, electric guy's gonna have to take a look at that. Probably rebuild it, either rebuild it or replace it.
That's expensive, Rich.
Yeah, I'm not sure what the price is here.
Yeah, but it's expensive. I don't know.
How much do they charge?
I don't know. It's never happened before.
Really?
I got him for almost 10 years.
Wow.
Never, no problem at all.
Lasted 10 years. That's not bad. Unfortunately, it's not good for now.
No, yeah.
Yeah. Alrighty then. Guess we know what the issue is.
Looks to me it's just working with the battery.
Yep.
Well, but why it doesn't come off if it's running, Richard?
No, it's still using the battery because if the alternator is bad, it's still using the battery juice to run. But eventually, the battery juice is going to run out, and then you've got nothing. Alrighty then.